Alright guys, welcome back to another tablet video. Lots of tablets coming out on the channel. So I have the LTE version of the ZTE Grand X View 4. I've actually had this tablet for at least a month, and I used it, and I figured out this is just going to be good for media consumption. You get the charging cable in the box and some paperwork and the tablet, and then here is the tablet right here. It has a nice texture on the back. Kind of reminds me of one of the ZTE phones. It's really nice though. So the SIM slot and SD card slot is right here under this little tab right here, because again this is LTE and has band 66. That's the highest band it has. On this side you have the power and volume. The camera's on the back, a little ZTE branding. This tablet feels really good in the hand. And you got a headphone jack and a mic here, and then that silly micro USB on the bottom. I don't know why they did that, man. Why they want micro USB. And I say that because the other tablet that I recently reviewed for you guys, which is this tablet right here, which is what I love, the TCL Tab, the Verizon version LTE tablet. This one is a lot more speedy. It's really nice compared to the ZTE Tab. That one right there it's dope. It's real dope. It's got a speedier feel to it. This one has the 215 mobile platform processor inside from Qualcomm, so that lets you know how slow this is when it comes to computing power. But this for me is just going to be for somebody who wants to browse the web. That's all that I could think of with this, man. Let me see here. Browsing the web with this on the go, because it's LTE, that's what you're going to get. That's what you'll be able to do with it. So as you can see here, as the Qualcomm 215 mobile platform processor, 8-inch screen, touchscreen. Obviously, it's 720p. Basically, it's 1200 by 800, so you can't watch 1080p stuff on here. 2 megapixel on the front, 5 on the back, 4630 for the battery. And another thing that's got 2 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of storage, but you can expand it up to 2 terabytes. And then it has, like I said, band 66 for some LTE connectivity, and it's pretty good. It's dope. Now, one plus that this thing has is it has stereo speakers. There's one here and there's one here. Now I could play something over video here. Yeah, it may not sound too great over video, but it's dope in person. These are pretty loud. Pretty loud. I like it. That's been like the highlight for me for this tablet. And close that out. That's been like one of the highlights for this tablet. Again, it's not the speediest. You know what I'm saying? Let me go CNN. It's not the speediest overall when doing certain tasks, but web browsing, I'm sure that's what they're tackling. LTE on the go. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm sure. Oh my gosh, much needed. But yeah, I'm sure that this is what they were probably getting at. You know what I'm saying? Like, we're gonna you know, tackle LTE on the go for people. That's what they were looking at for this, I'm sure. But media consumption is another thing that's actually really cool. So I want to go ahead and show you that I had this in the house. This is the ZTE Grand X View 4. It's a nice tablet. I mean, I think the only drawback I could find is that it's just kind of sluggish because of the processor and 2 gigs of RAM. Other than that, I think you're fine with this. I think you'll do all right with it. Nope, you shouldn't have too many problems with this. I really don't think you'll have any problems with it, to be honest. It's just, if you're looking for a powerhouse tablet, there are other tablets out there that they don't have LTE connectivity, but they're still more powerful than this. Like the Amazon tablets are way more powerful. So just keep that in mind. But if you want LTE connectivity, I've given you 2 or 3 different options here lately, and this is another one. So there it is, the tab from ZTE, the Grand X View 4. It's another option for you, man. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.